checking out the brand new 250 RTR. Some of the cool features on the new 250 RTR, it's going to have a really nice traditional cruiser style look to it. One of the cool features is going to have the nice chrome style sporty rear mirrors on each side. You're going to have a really nice chrome T-bar setup. And it's got a really nice, just traditional and really nice classic look of the cruiser setup that you normally want to see. And another nice thing, you have the spoked wheels, which is really nice. And then the matte black painted rims. So going more into detail on the 250 RTR, you're gonna have a really nice setup, some nice end caps, aluminum chrome style, and then with the rubber grips in the middle, so it gives you extra comfort. You do have the choke here. For all your controls, you have your high beams, low beams. You have your turn signals here. You do have your horn here. It does have a nice gas meter there, so you don't have to ever have to guess on how much gas you have. And then it's got an original classic analog style cluster. Here's going to be for emergency, which is really nice. So you do have hazard lights. Here's for the electric start, and then this is for a kill switch, on and off. And then it does have a really nice chrome plated lockable gas tank. So going into like the comfort features with the RTR 250, it's got a really nice wide seat, so for people that really want to go long distance riding or they really want to just attack the highway, it's really nice. It does even have a nice support for a passenger seat, which is really cool. Passenger pegs are going to be down here below. And then for the rider, it's got some really nice chrome style pegs. One thing that's really nice on this bike, it's got an amazing sound. It does have a 1 to 2 exhaust. It's got with the matte black finish. Let me go ahead and turn this thing on so you can hear this thing.